Oh boy, your mind is gonna blow once you learn about these 5 free plugins. They will help you create insane music in 2024. The first one on this list is called Final Guitar. I know this doesn't look like it's free, but apparently it is. I have this simple guitar loaded up, and believe me, it sounds amazing. On the bottom right, you have a toggle to switch from nylon strings to steel strings. A big plus is of course this reverb button to make it sound more dreamy. Of course, you can also adjust the reverb settings by clicking the button right here. I always love when instruments allow us to adjust the attack and release. This will help you shape the sound to your liking. Now, my favorite part is that you can make it sound extremely realistic with these controls on the left. You can really make it sound like someone is actually playing it. Alright, let's get to plugin number 2. This one's called Asian Dreams by DSK. I've been using these presets in a few of my lo-fi beats, but it works for trap and hip-hop as well. I just love that it's so simple. You just choose a preset that you like and you mess a little with the reverb button, and that's it. Sometimes it's great to be limited because that will give your creativity a chance to light up. Free plugin number 3 is actually kind of a halftime effect. This one is by Cymatics, so yeah, quality guaranteed. Simply open it up on a mixer track. Now let's see what it can do. With the controls on the left and right, you can adjust the fade in and fade out of the halftime. Now what I absolutely love is the band that you can use to low cut or high cut your effect. Then on the right, of course, you can mix between the dry and wet signal. There you go. Now, next effect is actually also from Cymatics. It's called Memory. You can use it to add subtle imperfections to your music, and it works great for lo-fi. You can kind of compare it to RC20. But yeah, this one's free. I tested all of these presets and they all sound amazing. I just can't believe it's free. The amount of control you get with this plugin is just straight up insane, so definitely play around with it. Number 5 is called Labs. This is basically a bank with tons and tons of free sounds. Now, the best thing is that you can choose the ones you need for yourself. You can just browse through hundreds of packs and banks and just download them. They will be instantly recognized in flstudio, so no need to copy, paste, drag and drop, it just works. Now simply choose an instrument you prefer and start messing around with them. That sounds so cool, but next I want to show you Vital, which is very crucial to learn everything about sound design. Click the video right here on my left. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.